fa. So if you remember, this is the start, and then straight fa. Qaf, exactly the same start, qaf, but it's a bit deep. Qaf, 2 dots. The initial and the medial position for fa and qaf, they look very similar, you will see now. So with the fa, we start again with the same way. So we start with that shape here, fa, just keep it straight like fa. For qaf again, 2 dots, qaf. Now the medial position, circle, fa and qaf. Okay, fa, qaf, fa, qa. And the final position, so we start with the line, then we draw the initial fa. Fa and qaf. Next letter is kaf. So we start with a line, top to bottom, and then we go straight. Kaf, and then a little hamza, similar to the hamza on alif. So kaf. Then lam. Now lam, look the shape again. We start from top to bottom, and then instead of going like all that way, very long, you know, we just go make it like that. Lam. We start again the same, a line. We start again, we connect also a line from here, and then you just do like that. So what I do usually, I do like that. Okay. For lam, the initial position for lam, the same. We start with the line, top to bottom, of course right to left, don't forget that, and then we just draw a connection line, lam. Okay. Now moving to the medial position for kaf. So what we can do here, with the same initial shape for kaf, we just add a connection line here. Okay, so I repeat it again. We start with a line here, and then this is how it looks. And the initial for the medial position for lam, the same initial position but with another connection. So we add that connection line again. We draw the initial position. Okay, the final position for kaf. So we draw a little connection line here, and then we write the isolated kaf as it is. So kaf. So this is the final position. For lam, the same isolated position but with the connection line. So let's see. So we start with the connection line, and then we draw the isolated position for lam. Okay, the next letter is mim. Okay, the next letter is mim, noon. So I'll select like the easy way again for you guys. So mim, we start with a little circle, then we go down. Mim. Okay, the next letter is noon. The initial position for mim, again, that circle, we go like that. Mim. Okay. For noon, okay. Now the medial position for mim, we start with the connection line, and then again and for noon, connection line, then noon. And the final position for meme, the same isolated position but with the connection line. So we start with that line and then okay, for noon we'll start with that connection, then we just draw the noon again. Okay, next letter is Ha, the little circle. Ha. Okay, let's start with the initial position for Ha. Now guys, the easy way for you to write Ha is we start like that here. Let's from here, as you see, and we go down. Okay, and then you come here, as you see, it's like a triangle, and then with the little circle here. Okay, I'll repeat it again. So we start from here, drawing, you know, a little triangle, and then we come here, we make a little circle. Some students, I noticed also some students, they wrote it like that, just like a kind of a circle, big circle, and a little circle. Also, that could be possible for you in the beginning. Okay. Now the medial position for Ha. Please pay attention for that. Now, first option is we start with a little connection line, and then draw the initial Ha. As you see. Okay, the second option for you in the medial, now you could go for that shape. Okay, and the third option, you could explain it like you start write number 8 in English. Okay, and then just add lines. That could be an option as well. Okay, so the final position for Ha. Okay, for here, as you see, we start with the line here, and go top. You see, okay, and then from here, do like that. Okay, I repeat it again. So we start with the little line here, like that. It's like the opposite L, and then wow. So the way we write the wow. So we start like that, as you see, and then if you remember the Ra, so wow. Wow, wow. Okay, so I will repeat it again. So we start with a little line, and then we go circle, and then we just draw the line like that. Wow. So the initial position for wow, the initial and the isolated position as it is, and the final position for wow. So what we do now, we just add the connection line, and then we draw the wow. Okay, so I repeat it. So we draw the connection line, small connection line, and then we draw the initial wow. The last letter is Ya. Yeah. Okay, so I repeat it again. So we start like that. You see? guys, it's like you know, a shape of duck, the duck, you know, if you notice. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's go with initial position for ya. Now the initial position for ya is, look, we start with a little line here, then we go straight. Yeah. Okay, I repeat it. So little with a little line, then we go. Yeah. Now the medial position for ya, the same initial but with the connection line. So we start here with a connection line, and then we draw. Yeah. I will repeat it with a connection. Yeah. Okay. Now the final position for ya. Okay, the first way we could write it like that. So we start with the connection line, and then we draw the initial ya. Okay. Okay. Some people also, they could write it like that. So starting with the connection line, and they start directly from here like that. So it depends what's easy for you. Okay, so we'll go through some notes. You'll find it useful for you. Now, first thing regarding the dots in Arabic language. As you may notice, we have one dot, we have two dots, and we have three dots. Okay, so you may find one dot will always look the same, two dots may look just a little line like that, and then three dots will be like that. So you may find these, you know, in different way, different shapes. So just a quick example. For example, ta, two dots, th, or like that. Tha, 1, 2, 3, or okay. This first note. Second note I want also to talk about is the medial position for the following letters: Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, and then Mim. Now the medial position for these letters: Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, and Mim. Okay, so pay attention for that, please. Few examples just to show you how we write the words. Let's start with the word faqir. Faqir meaning poor. Okay, so we start with the fa, then qaf in the medial position, then ya, then here ra, faqir. Okay, let's use another word, Oman. Oman, it's like the country. So start with the ain initial position, then mim, then noon, Oman. So we start with ain initial position, then mim medial position, alif, noon, Oman. Okay, for example, the word kitab meaning book. So kitab. So we'll start with the kaf, initial position, ki, then ta in the medial position, kita, then alif, then حرف الباء كتاب كتاب book. For example, the word ورقة, let's say ورقة meaning a paper. So we start with the واو, واو و را ورقة. Okay. For example, another word جامعة meaning a university. جامعة starting with the meme, then عين in the middle position, جامعة جامعة. Okay. And for example, the letter, let's use also word جبل, جبل meaning mountain. So we start with the initial G, ja, then ba medial position, then lam, jabal.